Hey guys, so welcome to MT Paradise. If you guys are new here, welcome to the channel. This is a how-to video on my Lexus IS and replacing the engine air filter. Toyota likes to use the same exact filter for a lot of different models. So down in the description down below, I'm going to try to have all the models that are compatible with this exact air filter. But the process is super quick and easy, so let's go ahead and get to it. And if you want to pick up one of these engine air filters, in the description down below, I'm going to have links to multiple different ones. I'm going to be using a K&N Performance one. You can also get just like a regular generic $10 engine air filter, and it's going to be just fine. I'm just kind of going a little bit above and beyond. But if you want to get that one, links in the description down below for all those options. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so I do have the 2-liter turbo IS engine. So this is the IS200T. And in 2018, they changed the name to IS300. But if you guys have the 2-liter engine, this is going to be where the air filter is going to be. If your engine looks like this, then obviously it's going to be the exact same setup, same filter. But like I said, in the description down below, I'm going to have all the info on what cars this is for. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in right here because you see the air box is right there. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pop off all 4 of these tabs. And once you do that, you're just going to lift this up. And you're just going to lift the filter right up and out. And just like that, the air filter's out. All right, so I did choose to go with K&N. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the filter, the angled pieces right here on the front. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Slide the filter right down in there. And let's go ahead and set this back into place. And then we're just going to take those 4 tabs. We're just going to hook them back up until they snap back into place. And just like that, this is done. Alright guys, so if this video helped you, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Also smash that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And I am trying to build up my channel. I want to try to get to 2,000 subscribers. So definitely go down and subscribe. But like I said before, if you guys want to pick up these filters, either the K&N or either one of the other cheaper options, definitely go down in the description down below. I'm going to have all the different links to different brands. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.